Hello, I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and I am going to teach you today one of the reasons why I love the taste of food and why I love this principle. So I am Dr. Patty Ann Ford. I have a practice called Imagine Wellness, and I'm a doctor, dietitian, and coach, and I help people heal their relationship with food. I am very skilled in the land of eating disorders, and I also love to work with people on chronic dieting, food addiction, weight management, and getting into their psyche, their conscious and their subconscious, about their thoughts, about their body, their food choices, and what they believe about their body and their gut and their soul, to help them towards health. So one of my favorite exercises that I love to do is I love to get people back to their intuition. And one way to do that is to use the senses. So we have 5 senses, just to stick with me. You have sight, you have hearing, you have touch, you have smell, and you have taste. The number one reason why people eat the foods that they do is for taste. Think about a child from birth to 5, they are so intuitive. If you were to ask a child, which food do you like? They're going to pick the foods based upon the taste. They're going to remember their experience with it. If they've never tried it, they're going to want to try it typically. And they live in this land of what is the experience of the food like? Then, as we get older, depending upon your experience, your exposure, your modeling, you're going to start to establish a relationship with food. You're going to start to have memories. You might learn some nutrition facts. You might have a food police in your home, where then you start to associate, oh, is food good? Is food bad? What's good for my body? That has sugar, I can't eat that. That has sugar, I want to eat that. And we start to develop these rules that are based upon our experience and perception, and we forget. We forget about the number one reason why we started eating in the first place is taste. Now we eat for energy, we eat for fuel, but the experience, if you close your eyes, and this is one of my favorite exercises, and you go to the land of what does this food taste like? So I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to think of, go ahead and close your eyes, think of your favorite tasting foods that would give you protein. So that would be any sort of animal meat, that could be beans, that could be eggs, that could be seafood, that could be, maybe is grains or oats, but what are some of your favorite tasting foods and what did you think of? And could you stay there, or did you jump to, oh gosh, but that gives me heart disease, that is actually so unhealthy for me, that's too expensive? Did all of a sudden you started to kind of develop some associations with the food that had nothing to do with the taste? So can you get back to your intuition? Can you get back to, I want to eat for taste? And if that freaks you out, if that makes you think, oh my gosh, then I'm just going to eat everything, then you've been living in the land of rules for far too long, because it is possible to have health and experience and taste your food. The experience and the exercise that I do with clients takes a little bit longer, takes about an hour. If you're interested, hit that subscribe button and follow along. And I do lots of exercises where you get back to your intuitive relationship with food, back to what works for you, and no more fads, more transformational, long-lasting change. Thank you. I'm Dr. Patty Ann Ford, and I hope this was of value. Have a good day. Bye.